Without the right tools, prospecting can feel like a guessing game, but with Lusha's powerful search filters, finding the right people has never been easier. Meet Lusha Flex, our AI-powered search that makes finding prospects faster and easier. Jump right into the search bar and type something like Director of Sales, New York, Software Development, and instantly get relevant results. From there, we'll narrow down our search with our powerful filters and signals. Now, we want to make sure that we are targeting our most relevant prospects, and this can be done both ways, of course. You can start from the Lusha Flex search bar and refine your search from the filters, or you can start with the filters and then go and refine it through the Flex search bar. So if you want to search for your ideal customer profile, your ICP, click on the contacts to access detailed contact information. And if you want to start with the companies or work off of an ABM approach, click on companies to receive a list of organizations that match your criteria. Like with contacts, you can fine-tune the results using the filters to ensure you're targeting the right businesses. An AI-driven approach makes Lusha Flex a smart way to find and connect with your best prospects. Now let's break down all the search filters and see how we can maximize our prospecting. The company filter is to search for a specific company. You can also exclude certain ones or upload companies through a CSV file. In that way, you can focus on the accounts that matter to you the most. The company HQ location will allow you to target companies based on their city, their country, their region, and even their zip codes. Within the industry filters, you can drill down using multiple methods. The main industry name will help you to focus on the industries that are relevant to you. You can add company and industry keywords related to certain services and specialities, and even solutions of these companies. You can also filter with SIC or NAICS codes for a super specific classification. The industry filters are key, allowing you to drill down and find exactly what you need. You can also filter by the number of employees, filter by the company's revenue. You can also use our funding filter for companies that have recently raised capital. The technology filter highlights the key technologies and tools organizations are using right now to operate their business. Use the buyer intent data to filter the companies actively looking for a solution, and use the subfilters to narrow down the level of intent you need. On the contact level, you can now narrow down your search a bit more. Select the contact details, filter to determine which type of contact information your results have to contain, such as mobile or email. Focus on prospects based in certain cities or countries or even regions. You can also leverage the zip codes to drill down a bit more. Now, the job title filter helps you to refine your search by specific job titles, including them or excluding them. Narrow down your prospects based on their professional roles or responsibilities. If you have a contact's name, of course, simply just type that in. Filter prospects by department to target specific areas of interest. Filter by seniority to target personas at certain career stages from entry level to executive positions. Using the job changes filter, you can search for contacts who have changed their job title or company within the time you set.